If you want to download Claude AI on Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and safest way to find the official download page and install it on your Windows computer step by step. This is a quick tutorial, so whether you're setting it up for the first time or just trying to make sure you're downloading the correct version, this guide will help. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC. You can do this from your taskbar, your desktop, or your start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome opens, go to the search bar at the top and click inside it. Now type Claude AI download and press enter. This will show you a list of results, but what you want to do here is make sure you choose the official download page. That's very important, because you always want to download software from the official source to stay safe and avoid fake or outdated files. Look for the result that clearly mentions Claude's official site or download page. Once you see it, click on that official download page. After the page loads, look for the option that says Download for Windows. This is the button or link you need to start the installation process on your PC. Click Download for Windows and your browser should begin downloading the file automatically. Depending on your browser settings, the file may appear in the bottom of the screen or in your Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, you can open the file and continue with the setup process if needed, and that's it. You now know how to download Claude AI on Windows using the official page. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.